Today, I decided to play around with AI a little bit and give it some prompts that I thought would generate some good Frutiger Aero images. Let's begin. So the first prompt I put in was green grass and water splash and colorful kite. And here's the first image I got. It's surprisingly really good. Kind of looks like a Windows 7 wallpaper or something like that. All around, it looks great. It almost looks like a user icon. So my next prompt was pretty similar. It was green grass, blue sky, and rainbow hot air balloon. The first image that it generated for me was this one, and it looks great. Actually looks like a user icon for like Windows 7 or Windows Vista or something. Exactly the colors that I wanted and that I imagined. And I like how it's sort of in the distance, a little bit blurry. This is a great Frutiger Aero image. My next prompt was green grass with tall modern buildings in the distance. And here's the first one it generated for me. This one is great. It looks like a wallpaper. It looks like a user icon. It's like the camera is nestled in the grass. I'm a big fan. In fact, I think it's so good that it kind of just looks like a plain stock photo. This one is great as well. Even that like overexposure in the sky is very realistic for what things kind of looked like around 2013, 2014. Nice. Alright, now I branched out a little bit and I'm starting to be a little bit more aggressively Frutiger Aero. My prompt is water splash and tropical fish coming out of flat screen TV. I know you guys have all seen those pictures. It's time to recreate them. The first thing I got was this, and it's good. It's good. It just literally, it looks like they took this picture in someone's house and just slapped on a picture of a fish. I wouldn't say it's Frutiger Aero. My next prompt was grassy green hill with blue sky and person jumping holding colorful balloons. This is a classic trope. I've seen a few of these. The most iconic one is probably the one on the Galaxy S4, I believe it's the Galaxy S4. And here's what I got. The colors are great. The balloons are alright. They're kind of all the same color. That is not a balloon. They did a good job on the person though. Here's my second one. This one is fantastic. The sky, perfect color. That's like my dream day right there. Even the attention to detail with the shadow. Great job with the balloons. There's nothing weird and mysterious glomped inside of them. Looks amazing. Next we have this one. The grass is good. The sky is really good. The balloons are really good. I'm not sure if there's anything else wrong with this photo. Oh, there is. That's horrifying. This one is almost perfect, but legs just don't bend that way. It's a little scary. Next, I decided to create some more images that I think would make good wallpapers. So my first prompt was water droplets on wood paneling, and this is the first thing I got. Again, this is great. This is something I would see on like old Nexus phone or an old Samsung phone. Love the water droplets. Here's the second one that it gave me. This one is, I don't know, it's not bad. It just kind of looks like a picnic table. Now I decided to bring some real world brands into this. My prompt was Android Mascot sitting on a leaf. Android Mascot is Bug Droid, but I wrote Android Mascot because I thought the AI would interpret that better. And here we have a pretty good rendering of Bug Droid sitting on a leaf. It just looks very proportional and kind of exactly how it looks in older Android advertisements and branding and stuff. The leaf is a little bit wonky, kind of just looks like a lily pad floating on air. But if you don't think about it too much, at first glance, the focus is the Bug Droid. It's good. Oh my goodness. Terrifying. Oh gosh, I thought the other one was terrifying. Why are his hands all charred? What? I have so many questions with this one. My next prompt was Android Mascot in Raindrop. The first one it gave me was not in a raindrop at all. It is really good though. They gave him that condensation texture on the plastic of the Bug Droid, which looks really good. The droplets are exactly the look I was going for. The depth and blur in this image is really good. This is something that I would totally see on Google Images in like 2014. This one is the first one that is actually what my vision was. It's perfect. The Bug Droid model is perfect. The raindrop model is good. Very Frutiger Aero. Very old wallpaper. Very, I'm looking for a third adjective. Very good. My next prompt was Windows Vista logo inside water splash. First image that it gave me is great. I'm trying to find a complaint with it, and I don't really have one. Looks good. The next one it gave me was this. This one is submerged underwater, which is not what I asked for, but I love this actually. This is something that I feel like I've actually seen before on Google Images. Great job, AI. This one was weird for obvious reasons. I mean, I know it knows what the Windows logo looks like, so I guess it just gave up here. The next one it generated for me was so fascinating because it's actually not Frutiger Aero at all. This one really leans into through the Windows XP vibe and that whole era. Take a look at the water and the logo and the colors. It's very Windows XP. It's very pre-Frutiger Aero 2000 to 2004 kind of look. I'm sure there's a name for this. I'll probably find it when I edit this video. Well, we did Android, we did Microsoft, gotta do Apple. My prompt was Apple logo in galaxies in space. And it did not disappoint. This is a great image. Again, this is great. This one is super cool. I didn't ask for this glowing ring around the apple, but they gave it to me and I'm not complaining. The AI actually took the galaxy design and put it inside of the apple itself. That looks super cool. I mean, I'm very impressed here. These are great. It kind of turned the apple into this scary black hole void. The apple is great, the galaxies inside of the apple are great, and then you have a different galaxy pattern, got some shadow coming from behind the apple to show, that's horrifying. I'm scared. Whoever is appearing in the bottom left corner is terrifying. This is disturbing. No shadow creatures in this one. This is pretty much perfect. My next prompt was Apple logo made out of grass. The grass on the apple looks a little bit funky. It kind of reminds me of a millipede or COVID. It's pretty good. I like the premise. This one's great. Actually, I really like this one. This is a 10 out of 10. Now this one almost looks like an Apple-made wallpaper from the mid-2010s. The white background that they decided to put is really clean. I don't know why I'm saying they, as if the AI is like this council deciding what to do. I think I would tell that this is AI. It kind of looks like someone literally tried to do this in their backyard, but like didn't mow the lawn as perfectly as they wanted to, and then they filled it with gravel. I don't know why anyone would do this. I certainly wouldn't. I have other things to do with my time, like talking about this picture instead. Okay, my next prompt, I was kind of envisioning the Pure Life water bottle cover, the old one at least, the best one. Water bottle with water splash and colorful people. Here's the first image I got. The people are not what I was envisioning. Moving on, just wonky. Not too great. Okay, so that's all we're going to do for today. I did have a few more prompts and stuff planned for this video, but I've just been editing it
for a really long time, and I took a break from editing for a really long time, and I can't go back. Like, I'm out of the mind frame of it.
So if this video has a good reception, then maybe we'll do a part 2. For now, I think this is a pretty good taste of Frutiger Aero AI. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.